has been a sponsor or an affiliate with the channel for a while, since I started doing moto vlogs. Got some new stuff now that's pretty cool. They have armored hoodies like I have on now. It's a little too hot out here in Texas to wear these, but they're really good for bike nights. It gets cooler at night, so I like to just wear the hoodie with the armor in it. It's sharp looking, it's nice, you got the protection, it's got reflective, it's really good. But they got some all different colors now. They got a really nice leather jacket. You guys know I rave about their gloves. Obviously their armor jeans set is the best in the game, I think, in my opinion, with the Kevlar liner, the zippers, they just look awesome. So I'd say probably like 75 is about my limit on the hoodie, but at nighttime it's perfect. It's got, you know, zippers here so you can cool it. It's got armor in the shoulders, in the forearm, in the back, and that all comes with it. And you can use my discount code Hardcity, all caps, that gets you 10% off. See, this is where I'm always trying to give you guys a deal. This is almost $30 for lunch today. $30 for a burger, fries, and a milkshake. And this is bigger. I can't think of nothing else bigger than this. So we got to make this work, guys. Like, share, subscribe.